How's it going, everybody? This is Monsef, AdminTuning. Today I wanted to talk to you about why you need to choose your performance shop or tuning shop very carefully for your Nissan 370Z or 350Z, whatever it might be. This is a 2016 Nismo 370 that Admir had brought to me after being tuned at another shop. It came in with short ram intakes, Motordyne manifold, Motordyne headers, and catback exhaust. He had actually wanted to bring it to me for some other unrelated issues to the car, like poor idle quality. But we went ahead and dynoed it, and I wanted to take a look at his combination because I felt like his combination left a lot on the table. So we're going to take a look at what he decided to buy. Like I said before, you remember this car from a previous video, some of you, but he had short rams originally, but he decided, to buy the best fucking intakes you can buy for this car. So he bought mine, and it's powder coated red. It's the 3-inch cold air intake that we sell for the 370Z and the G37. He also combined it with the EPS throttle bodies. He had these before, and the car was tuned on them previously. So I wanted to show you kind of a comparison and why picking your overall combination is so important. Like I said previously, it had a Motordyne manifold. It had another shop's tune, and then it also had their short ram intakes on it. So this is where we dynoed with all their calibration and those parts on it. So I made 301 SAE and 239 torque on this dyno. It's a dyno jet. After performing the changes that we performed, that would be the intake swap, the switching the Motordyne manifold out for a Z1 ported upper, and then retuning it after switching the intakes. This is where we end up. Not yet.
You won't go any further in? Like, as it's touching?
So as you can see, we're at 323 wheel horsepower and 257 torque. This is on the same dyno with the same correction factor. As you can see, the graph is also a lot smoother. You pick up a lot more throughout the entire power band. The intake temperatures are a lot more manageable. I also had a strong suspicion that the manifold, the Motordyne manifold, being geared more towards low-end torque, took away a lot from the top end of the car. So this is a really good representation of not necessarily buy the parts that people tell you to buy, but do some research on your combination and actually understand where power is being made or where power is being relocated, and then also shop for your tuner carefully. Make sure your tuner is the most arrogant fucking prick that you can find. Most of those guys are usually good at what they do. So that concludes our video. Thanks again to Admir for bringing his car back. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know.